I've always wanted to be part of the Tusker team because they have a vision for my industry and they care about my people, they care about my constituency. But this position that I have now to be the principal of something that is so dear to my heart is something I want to do for the younger me. So I'm doing this because the younger BN needed someone like me to be there for him or her. So I am happy to be here, to hold hands, to learn from the kids, and for the kids to teach me things, to learn from the kids and to impact the knowledge I have, and hopefully cut their journey in half. We also need to understand the importance of structure. The reason why Tusker builds these massive empires and stuff is because everything is structured to the T. What time do you wake up? What are you eating? You're singing. Okay, do you have vocal practice? Do you have an hour in your day to discuss your business affairs with your manager? You know, sometimes I've been ducking my accountant for a week now because he wants to pin me down for an accounting meeting. And I know the numbers are my reality. But as an artist, it's so natural to run away from those numbers. So face your career head on. Yeah, like be present. Know about your money. Read your contracts. Put your contract in ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT tell you about the red flags in the contract. Like just be very aware of your environment at all times and pivot in different ways. You know, we still haven't come. We're there right now. There are still. There are very many artists who are developing brands outside of their music. That's business as well. So as you grow, just be aware, try things, fail at things, grow.